Namaste everyone. Welcome to our day 2 of yoga for erectile dysfunction. Let's start. Let's stretch your legs out. You can lean back, rest, and shake your legs. Then take support of your hands and stretch your back upward. Keep your back straight, Dandasana. Make sure there's a bandha. And if you are sitting in correct position, you will already start to feel some stretch in your hamstrings. Then keep your back straight, and if you need support, you can put a pillow or a folded blanket under your buttocks. Then bring your hands as if you are holding a rope. Pull the rope down. Pulling the rope, keeping your breathing normal. And now try to pull the rope from far like this. Give a bit more stretch to your hamstrings. That's good. And lean back. You can always go back and lean and rest whenever you need. Then open your legs about 40 degrees apart. Keep your back straight again. Hands on your knees. Inhale, lift the chest up and bring your right hand to the left leg, left hand back. Try to twist. Keep breathing normal. Exhale down. Release. Then chain the hand. So left hand goes onto the right leg. Inhale and exhale. Open your right arm. Breathe. Exhale down. Let's do one more time. Hold your left toe. If you can't hold the toe, you can hold your shin bone or knee wherever is convenient. Inhale. Lift the chest and open your left arm out. And then normal breathing. Exhale back. Change your leg. With your left hand, right toe, inhale and exhale, open the hands backward. Good. Come back to the center and bring your feet together again. You can lean back and rest again if you need to. Then keep your back straight. Bring your hands. This time you are going to do as if you are grinding rice or wheat. Keep your breathing either normal or you can inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. About 5 to 10 times. Then other way around. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. So whenever we open the body, inhale. When we close the body, exhale. 5 to 10 times. That's good. Then bring your hands as if you are going to rowing the boat. So inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. And this movement 5 to 10 times you can do. And then other way around. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. 5 to 10 times. Bring your awareness onto your body and see what does your body feel. Is there any tension, and how that tension is being released by doing these simple yogic exercises. That's good. Then lean back and rest. And shake your legs and bend your knees. Sit onto your feet. Open your legs wider, palm together, and open your legs as wide as possible. Comfortable in your body. Inhale, exhale, inhale. On the next exhalation, you're going to stretch your arms outward. Breathe. That's good. Come back to the center. Bring the left hand onto the ground. Open with your hands a bit more, and also this hand is pressing. And bring your right arm towards the sky. Breathe. You can hold for 2 to 3 breathings. Change your hand. Inhale, exhale, and inhale. Open your arm up. Exhale, and hold for 2 to 3 breathings. Good. Come down and join the feet together. Take support of your hands to balance and bring your chest as down as possible, and then bring your hands around. Try to interlock your fingers on the back, and even if you can't interlock, it's okay. Just try to bring your hands back and press there. Hold and breathe. Make sure that your shoulders are opening, your chest is out. That's good. Release and lay onto your belly. Then bring your arms out, forehead down, and rest. Then bring your head up and stand onto your elbows. Elbows together. And rest your face into your hands. Breathe normal. Focus onto your navel and sacral chakra. Working on courage and sexuality. And each asana you can hold between 30 seconds to up to 2 minutes. The longer you hold, the better. Then interlock your fingers like this. Bring your hands on the ground. And you're going to push your hands into the ground and lift your elbows off the ground. Exhale down. Inhale up. Exhale down. Inhale up. Exhale down. Inhale up. Exhale down. Inhale up. And exhale down. Good. Then bring your hands on top of each other like this and rest your face onto your hands. 10-second rest. Good. Then stretch your arms out again, forehead down. Inhale. Lift your right arm, left leg, and head up as high up as possible. Exhale down. Inhale, left arm, right leg, and head up. Exhale down. Inhale, right arm, left leg. Exhale down. Inhale, left arm, right leg. Exhale down. And rest in Makrasana.